Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix notification sound issue are not working on iPhones after update iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. Fix this issue. First of all, you have do not disturb mode as disabled. So you have open the control center, then you have click on focus, and then you have turn off do not disturb mode. Then his turn off. I have already turned on. Then you have turn off, and then other solution you have enable sound notification. So you have open the setting, and then you have click on notification, and then click on screen share, and then you have turn on allow notification. And then other solution, second solution complete. Then you if second solution is not working, then third solution you have reset all setting. So you have again open the setting, and then click on general, then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, and then you have only reset all setting. Do not lose any data your iPhone, photos or videos, only reset setting on your iPhone. Then other solution you have uh, check an app notification setting. How to fix app notification setting? Some application have their notification configuration that's independent of your phones notification setting. If an app is not playing sound alerts, so for new message, check it is an app notification setting and make sure sound alert is enabled. So other solution you have check alert tones. So again open the setting, and then you have click on sound and haptics. Then you have click on text tone. Then you have select on none, and then I have default. Then you have select on none, and then last solution you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general, then you have click on software update, then your mobile is up to that latest version on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. If any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. And do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.